making tweaks to a law in terms of its implementation. And just from your view of it, what standing does the House have to say he does not?
Sure, there's precedent for the changing the laws. The question is, here in this lawsuit, whether they went beyond what the statute allows. What the Republicans say is that the administration wrongly did two things that they had no legal authority to do, that they gave money that Congress hadn't appropriated to insurance companies to help them subsidize coverage for low-income Americans, and secondly, twice delayed the deadline by which large employers had to start offering insurance or pay a tax penalty. In both those cases, the House Republicans say the administration didn't have legal authority. Now, those are the questions on the merits. The question you raise is the threshold question of whether they'll ever get before a judge. They face a couple of problems. One is the federal courts have a very miserly view of who gets to sue, what is called standing. You have to show some concrete, personalized, direct injury. Now, what the House could well say is, well, we're defending our integrity, we're defending the institution, we passed this law. That might work. On the other hand, they might face a problem, some legal scholars say, that because the House exists anew every 2 years. Every 2 years you get a brand new House of Representatives. Next year, this year, when this lawsuit was filed, this is not the House that passed the health care law. A different House did. It is a House that appropriates money, though, and that could be where they get some standing there. But you're right, it's going to be a long time before this gets before the courts. The courts generally don't like to referee these separation of powers disputes between the political branches. So this is a long odds lawsuit. Jonathan Turley, who's the lawyer representing the House Republicans, though, say that the courts need to get with it and knuckle down and do more to maintain the separation of powers and stop ducking it.
All right, interesting stuff. I'm sure you'll be following NBC's Pete Williams.